We got a major celestial mystery. Time to solve the sun's secret color.
All right, team. Let's get to work.
You look yellow to me, sun. Every morning.
And afternoon.
It's just a fact.
Me, yellow? The ultimate source of all light? How dare you! Look closely, Earth. I emit every color of light at the same intensity. When you mix all colors of light together, what do you get? Pure white.
If you're white, why do I see you as yellow?
Am I colorblind?
That's your fault, Earth. Your beautiful, thick atmosphere is actually acting like a giant color filter. Me? It's my fault?
Yes, you! Your atmosphere scatters shorter, bluer wavelengths of light. That's why your sky is blue.
What's left to reach your surface is the longer, redder, yellower light.
And that's why my thick, glorious atmosphere looks so perfectly orange. It's simply gorgeous.
Wait a minute. That's why the sunsets and sunrises are so red and orange.
Precisely. When my light travels through more of your atmosphere at an angle, even more blue light is scattered away, leaving behind those magnificent reds and oranges. It's all about atmospheric filtering. So as a summary, the sun is truly white light, but Earth's atmosphere scatters the blue light everywhere. And that's what's making the sky blue, leaving only the yellow and red light to hit our surface.
That's the secret color of our star.
We got a signal from deep space. Time to solve the mystery of the exoplanet.
All right, team, let's get to work.
Sometimes, being the only planet with life makes me feel so alone in the whole galaxy.
That's a signal from an exoplanet, Earth. It could be anything. Don't get your hopes up too fast.
Just because it's a planet doesn't mean it's alive. It's probably just a desolate wasteland, like a cousin of Mars. We have to check its Goldilocks zone. It has to be in that perfect spot that's not too hot and not too cold.
Whoa! It's in the perfect spot. That exoplanet
Could actually have liquid oceans. Even if it has water, it could be a runaway greenhouse planet like me, boiling hot. Or an ice cube like Neptune.
Or it could just have frozen water like me. Being in the zone doesn't guarantee liquid. Trust a guy who knows about being dry. The data says liquid water, atmosphere, and perfect temperature. We found an Earth-like world. I finally have a new buddy.
Well, fine. It's still not as glamorous as me.
And I bet its oceans don't even have perfect tides.
mystery is solved. You need the Goldilocks zone for liquid water. Finding a planet there means finding a chance for life.
What if Earth was flat? A cosmic whisper started spreading. A rumor about Earth. Oh no. I feel so flat out insecure right now. Flat? But how would that even work? Poor Earth tried to hide its curves, but the other planets were relentless.
Darling, one cannot simply be flat. It's against cosmic etiquette.
So, what if Earth suddenly became as flat as a cosmic pancake?
Look, if you were flat, all your water would rush to the middle. Everything else would just slide right off the sides. You see, Earth, gravity always pulls towards the center of a mass.
And what about the moon? Its orbit would be all wobbly.
Spinning flat is hard work. Earth would wobble like a wonky frisbee.
All right, everyone. Time to round things out. Check it out! The sun's energy is making you puff back up. It's working!
Much better. Round is definitely my best shape.
See? That's why being a round, beautiful sphere is the best way to be. You can blast me, son? My magnetic shield is unbreakable. Ugh, I feel so weak and dizzy. I think my core is taking a nap. What's going on? That dizziness means your liquid iron core is slowing down. Your magnetosphere is flickering.
Time for a morning wake-up call. Take that, magnetic shield.
Ouch! That went right through. My shield is gone.
Welcome to my world. That's the solar wind. It's always blowing. Without your magnetic shield, you're getting hit just like me.
Atmosphere. It's blowing away. I can't breathe, and my air is getting completely messed up.
Your magnetic field is made by the incredible power of your spinning liquid iron core. It acts like a giant electric generator. So if that core stops spinning, the magnetic shield disappears. The shield is gone. The solar wind will keep blowing until it strips away all my air. I'll end up dry and dead like Mars. I'm being scorched. I'm being scorched, and all my water is boiling away.
That's what happens when you don't keep your core cool, Earth. You're gonna end up dry and rusty like me.
Relax. It takes billions of years for a core to cool.
Yes, the final answer is, if your core cooled, you'd lose your shield, and the solar wind would slowly strip away your atmosphere.
Ever wondered what would happen if I suddenly said goodbye?
Hey, if you've ever wondered why the ocean is always moving, it's because of this guy right here.
Oh, here we go. It's called gravity, and it's how I keep your liquid water from flying off into space. You're welcome.
Fine. If you don't appreciate my gravitational pull, I'll just leave. Enjoy wobbling. I'm dizzy. Everything is spinning out of control. That's what happens when you lose your buddy. The moon's mass held you steady. Without it, you wobble like a broken top. Help! My weather is going crazy! My seasons are switching every minute! My surface life is panicking! Moon, I'm so sorry! I didn't realize how important you were. Please come back. Did you just call me important? You know I'm the reason life on your planet can even exist. Yes! You keep my axis straight and you give me predictable tides. You are the best sidekick ever.
All right. I'm back. But let's remember, this is a partnership. I owe you one. No more complaining about tides, I promise.
You know what makes me special? I have the coolest moon in the inner solar system. It controls my tides, lights up my nights, and my Earthlings just love staring at it. They even wrote songs about it.
I mean, I'm basically Earth's twin in size and mass. We're neighbors. But somehow I don't have a single moon. Earth never lets me forget it. It's like being the only planet without a +1 to the cosmic dance.
Yeah, tell me about it. I don't have any moons either. At least you're big, Venus. I'm the smallest planet, and everyone just assumes I'm too pathetic to have one. Even Pluto used to have more moons than me, and he's not even a planet anymore.
My moon is so reliable. It's been with me for over 4 billion years. Best cosmic companion ever.
Hey there, Earth. Let's talk about why you two don't have moons. Mercury, buddy, you're in a tough spot that has nothing to do with being pathetic. You see, Mercury, you're so close to the sun and so small that your hill sphere is absolutely tiny.
What's a hill sphere?
The hill sphere is the region where your gravity is the strongest force. Any moon inside that zone will orbit you instead of the sun. And your hill sphere is only about 175,000 kilometers.
Simply put, Mercury, darling, any moon that tried to orbit you would be like a paper boat in a hurricane. The sun's gravity would just snatch it away faster than you can say orbital mechanics. Huh.
You never stood a chance, sweetie.
Okay, but what about me? I'm almost as big as Earth. I'm 80% of Earth's mass. My hill sphere should be fine, so why am I moonless too?
Oh, Venus, my dear, you're asking the wrong question.
Scientists have run simulations, and they suggest something fascinating.
The question isn't why you don't have a moon. It's what happened to the moon you probably once had.
Wait, what? I had a moon? I had a moon and lost it? That's not just embarrassing, that's tragic!
Based on planetary formation models, scientists think that about 4 billion years ago, you got smacked by something huge. The debris from that collision likely formed a moon, just like Earth's. It started orbiting and slowly drifting away, like a normal moon should.
But then, research suggests something catastrophic happened. Roughly 10 million years later, a second massive impact may have struck from the opposite direction. This collision could have slowed your spin, reversed it entirely, and sealed your moon's fate.
When a planet rotates backwards relative to its moon's orbit, tidal forces work in reverse. Instead of pushing the moon away like Earth does, Venus, you started absorbing your moon's orbital energy. You basically pulled it into a cosmic bear hug of doom.
If this theory is correct, once your moon crossed the Roche limit, your gravity would have torn it to pieces. The debris would have rained down onto your surface over millions of years. Your moon didn't escape, darling. It came home in the most dramatic way possible.
So I didn't just fail to get a moon. According to this theory, I had one, and my backwards rotation destroyed it. That's so much worse than never having one. It's like ghosting your best friend by accidentally crushing them.
Hey, at least we're moonless together, right? I never had a chance because of the sun. You might have lost yours to bad physics. We're like the moonless support group of the inner solar system.
Should we start a club? Mercury's hill sphere is merely 175,000 kilometers. Venus's extends to about 1 million kilometers.
And Earth's reaches 1.5 million kilometers. Distance from the sun is everything, darlings.
You both orbit in the sun's intense gravitational neighborhood.
Mercury never had the mass or distance.
Venus probably had a chance but lost it to catastrophically bad timing. It's not a failure, it's just physics being dramatic as usual.
I'm really sorry for bragging, you two. I didn't know about all this cosmic tragedy. I just got lucky with my distance from the sun and that my moon stuck around after forming. I should have been way more sensitive. I feel like such a jerk now.
Well, if I did lose my moon 4 billion years ago, I'm still here, still the hottest planet, still fabulous. Besides, my thick atmosphere and retrograde rotation make me unforgettable in other ways. Who needs a moon when you've got this personality?
Yeah! And I may be small, but I'm the fastest orbiter and closest to the sun. I survive temperatures that would melt lead. Who needs a moon when you're basically a speed demon living in an oven?
I'm hardcore. Every planet's story is different, friends. I have 95 moons because I'm massive and far from the sun. You three have your own special circumstances. That's what makes the solar system interesting. If we were all the same, space would be boring.
So basically, Mercury and Venus have no moons because the sun's gravity dominates the inner solar system.
That makes stable moon orbits nearly impossible. Scientific models suggest Venus likely had a moon but may have lost it to reverse tidal forces after a second impact changed its rotation.
Well, I feel better knowing the science behind it. At least if my moon did ditch me, there was a whole cosmic catastrophe involved. 2 giant impacts and backwards physics? That's not just tragic, that's Oscar-worthy drama.